You did it. Got aircraft insurance so when you're flying high, you're protected. Now, let's go over how to make payments so your account remains in good standing, your coverage won't stop, and you won't be Sierra Oscar Lima when it's needed. First, find your welcome emails. There's some good stuff in there. You should have received two, one confirming your payment method with a direct link to the pay portal, and the second with a copy of your policy documents. If not, check the Bermuda Triangle of internet communication, your spam folder. You may be tempted to go to the homepage, click on Claims and Payments, and then Pay Now, but you would have to enter all your account info manually if you do it that way. That's simply a backup option we provide and how renewal payments can be made. Since our team has already saved your policy information and a payment method for you, the fastest, most convenient way to pay is to log in. The shortcut to get to this page is that same direct link to the pay portal, pay.avemco.com. It's easy to remember, so just type it directly into your browser or even save it as a shortcut on your desktop if you know how. Type in the email you enrolled with and voila. When you log in for the first time, you'll be prompted to change your password from the default, which is just your email address again, and to also set up a secure multi-factor authentication method. We recommend choosing SMS, so you can receive a simple text message with a code. Once you enter that code, you'll be taken to your policy summary page, where a Make Payment button is available. Click on that, select the amount to pay, hit Confirm, and you're good to go. Now, some more tips to set you up for success. If you have multiple policies using the same email, you can add them using the Register tab. That way, when you log in, you can see all your policies in one place. The Profile tab has even more options. We recommend not changing your email address because it's tied to your original policy. But the thing of note on this page is the option to change your payment method. ACH is available if you prefer not to use a credit card, and you could also select to use your chosen method to make automatic recurring payments. Isn't that nice? Okay, now, we've been taxiing on the runway long enough. Time to fly.